Hello students, how are you? I hope you are very well. Welcome to our YouTube channel Gyan Manjari Modern School. Today we learn about the standard number 6, standard 6 subject GD, chapter number 5, articles. In the previous video we discussed about the unit number 4. Complete this exercise and we today will learn about the articles. So student, you already know about what is the articles. In English, our words and the articles is a, an, and the are called articles. An, and the are called articles. Three types of articles: an, and the are, and the are called articles. These words say something about the nouns. These words say something about the nouns, that follow them, Article an, and the are called articles. These words say something about the nouns that follow them. Why use the articles? Because these words say something about the nouns. These words say something about the nouns that follow them. Articles a and n. Articles a and an are used before singular countable nouns, to introduce or refer to a person or thing. They are called indefinite articles. Here, articles a and an are used to before singular. Article a and an are used before singular countable nouns to introduce or refer to a person or thing. Articles a and an are used before in a singular and countable nouns to introduce or refer to a particular person or particular thing. These are called indefinite articles. Before, in the article a or an, vowel and consonant. So, you use them in a last last year last standard article articles a and n are used before singular countable nouns to introduce or refer to a person, particular person or particular thing. They are called indefinite articles. And the next, the is the only definite articles. Definite articles in English. Definite article in English. It is used when the readers or listeners know the noun that is being referred to. It can be used with singular and plural nouns. It can be used with singular and plural nouns. We talk about the articles a and an. Now we talk about the article the. The is the only definite articles, and the articles a or an indefinite articles, and the article is the definite article in English. It is used when the readers or listener know the noun that is being referred to. It can be used with singular and plural nouns. Article the only definite articles in English. It is used. Article the is used when the readers or listener know the noun that is being referred to. It can be used with singular and plural nouns. Article the can be used with both singular and plural nouns, and the article a or an only be used in a singular and countable nouns. So here, this is the articles important topic. You just write down in your book, then move forward. Okay, student, have you written this? Then now move forward. I think you know about what is vowel and what is consonant here. Here total alphabet in English 26 and the 5 one is A, E, I, O, U is a vowel and the 21 is consonant. So we use the vowel A, E, I, O, U and the other alphabets is in a consonant. We use article A. We use article a or an only with singular countable nouns. For example, we use article a or an with nouns like table. So in this for the example we use the table. Put over here article, right answer a or an. Then the answer is article a because the table. Then the article put over here a because this is the consonant. In the next example, orange. So this is the example and the article put over here wool start with O. So the right answer article is vowel an, orange, and chair. This example, the right or correct article is put over here article a. We do not use article a or an with uncountable nouns. Such as the example is smoke, water, and petrol, and rice. So student, you do not countable these nouns. For the example such as some, not small. So small, you can't countable small, and you can't countable water, you can't countable petrol, and you can't countable rice. So in this we do not use article a or with uncountable nouns. But we use article a or an with singular countable nouns. We discuss about the example like this: table, orange, and chair. So you can easily countable nouns and the singular. This is the uncountable nouns: smoke, water, petrol, and rice, and etc. We use the before. We use the before a noun that has been mentioned before in the context. Before in the context. We also use the when we want to indicate an entire group. Indicate an entire group, class or species. Now we talk about the articles the. We use the before a noun that has been mentioned before in the context. Why we use the article the? We use the article the before a noun that has been mentioned before in the context. We also use the when we want to indicate an entire group, class, or species. For the example, examples, the lion is a graceful animal. The lion is a graceful animal. So compare with the rules. We use the before a noun that has been mentioned before in the context. We also use the article when we want to indicate an entire group, class, or species. And the next example, the car. The car is a costly vehicle. The car is a costly vehicle. And the article the used with antique things, special thing, the Taj Mahal, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and the sun, the moon, antique and only one things in a word. So we can use the article the. So you just write down in your book, then move forward in. Okay, student, when you written this, then now move forward. Provision of articles. Some of the rules of the articles. Formation of articles. Omission of articles. The first one is we do not use. We do not use articles with proper nouns. With we do not use article with proper nouns. We do not use articles with proper nouns. It is wrong. It is wrong to say. Wrong to say. The Jaya, this is the wrong. We do not use article with proper nouns. It is wrong to say. The Jaya, the Harry, this is wrong. A Kolkata, this is the wrong. Because we do not use articles with proper nouns. It is wrong to say. The Jaya, this is wrong. The Harry, this is wrong. A Kolkata, this is also wrong. The next, we do not use. We do not use article a or an with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. We do not use article a or an with uncountable nouns. For the example, an iron. An iron. So, you students, you cannot count this iron. So, this is the uncountable nouns. So, we do not use article a or an. This is the wrong. The next, a petrol. A petrol. This is also wrong because we do not use article with uncountable nouns. So student, you cannot also count this petrol. A silver. A silver. A silver. This is also wrong because you cannot count this silver. This is the uncountable nouns. Article a. Article a, because you cannot count silver. So this is the uncountable nouns. We do not use article a or an with uncountable nouns. And the third, we do not use article a or an with uncountable abstract noun. Uncountable abstract nouns. Abstract nouns. We do not use a or an with uncountable abstract noun. So in this, what is the abstract noun? We cannot see the action. For the example, I am sad, I am happy. So we do not use the article a or an with uncountable abstract noun. For the example, a kindness. A kindness is a good quality. Is a good quality. So here this sentence is a wrong because we did not use article a or an with uncountable abstract noun. So you just write down in your book and move forward. Okay student, have you written this? Then now move forward in our next video. Homework. Today your homework is what did we learn in this video. In this video, you just write down in your book. In your book, what did we learn in this video? You write down in your book. Okay, student, articles a or an and the. Some of the rules you just write down in your book. Okay, student, we will meet in our next video. Thank you very much. Bye, student.